Hello, Geoff. I want to play a game. For years, your legacy software company has broken many promises to social housing providers, relying on their risk aversion and PR blackouts to spare you punishment for failing to deliver.
That wasn't my fault. They made me do it.
You have squandered millions on executive salaries and invested dividends while draining money from providers of housing for the most vulnerable people in society without any fair exchange of value. Now, I offer you the chance to feel as trapped as your customers felt in your contracts.
The legal team said that we stuck to the contract. They said it was all above board. Help!
The device around your neck is an explosive charge that will detonate in 60 seconds. Not nearly enough time to check all the boxes and find the key fob to disarm.
Yes, we did change control, but the customers signed it off. We needed the money. The company was for sale. And it was never just about the executive salaries and the elaborate exhibition stands.
Search your soul to know your biggest sin. Therein lies the key to your salvation. Live or die, Geoff.
Stop!
The choice is yours.
He just wasn't built for the web. Customers love remote desktop. I think... I'm sorry. The key. I can't find the key. I know we shouldn't have done change control. I know. Yes, okay. We didn't have integration. Gotta be this one! Press here if you're sorry for charging customers for mandatory upgrades. I We don't do cloud. We can't. I'm sorry. It's just on-premise masquerading as cloud. I'm sorry. Our intention was real cloud. We just didn't put our customers first. I'm sorry. Please.
Don't lose your head. Choose Rupin.